Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cracking Maths with Shufia. In this video we are going to learn how to add or subtract the fractions. In case of like fractions it's pretty simple, but for unlike fractions I'll share two methods. Method number 1, using the property of equivalent fractions. In this case, we'll change the denominators to the common denominator by multiplying both the denominators. This method remains an easy one for adding or subtracting two fractions, as it is done by taking two fractions together. And method number 2 is LCM method. I think for more than two fractions this method is an appropriate one. Here we need to make the denominators equal by finding their least common multiple, that is LCM, which serves as their least common denominator, that is LCD. As working with smaller numbers makes our calculations easier, so we are taking least common denominator. Here let's start.
So I have written here one example. Add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 7. First we'll add using method 1, that is concept of equivalent fractions,
And then
using second method. For method 1, in case of addition of more than two fractions, we'll add first two fractions and then we'll add the result with the remaining number. Alright, let me add first two fractions, that is 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4. Now here you see fractions are unlike fractions, so our first step is to convert them to like fractions, that is the fractions having common denominator. In this case the common denominator is always going to be the product of the denominators of each individual fraction. Here you see one denominator is 3 and another denominator is 4. So we are going to change our denominator by multiplying with another denominator. At the same time, according to the rule of equivalent fractions, we will have to change our numerators also. Here 2 by 3, we can write 2 by 3 into, here denominator I'll make it as 3 into 4. So I am multiplying this with the whole fraction 4 divided by 4, because I have changed my denominator with multiplying with 4, and at the same time by the rule of equivalent fraction I will have to change our numerator as well with the multiplying with the same number. Okay, so similarly I am changing this second number also, 1 by 4, here with which number I will have to multiply? Yes, with the denominator of first fraction, because I am multiplying with this one 3. At the same time I will have to multiply numerator also with 3, that means with the whole fraction 3 by 3 I will have to multiply the second number. Now we know product of fractions is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So this will be equal to 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 4, and this one will be 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. This is equal to 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 4 is 12, this one is 3, this one is 12. Now this becomes pretty simple. You see, these are like fractions with having common denominator which is 12, and we know for adding like fractions we'll have to add the numerators only, because while denominator is the common denominator. So this will be equal to 8 plus 3 divided by 12. This is equal to 11 divided by 12. Now we are going to add the third number using the same method, that is 11 by 12 is the result of addition of these first two fractions, and third number is our 3 divided by 7. So this is equal to, first we will have to multiply this denominator with the denominator of second one. So I am multiplying 12 with 7. 7 and as well numerator also I will have to multiply with 7, and here I am multiplying with the denominator of first fraction, that is our whole fraction will be 12 divided by 12. So this is equal to 11 7s are 77, 7 12s are 84. This is our 12 3s are 36, 7 12s are 84. Are adding the numerators only, keeping this common denominator as the denominator. So this is equal to 77 36, 7 plus 6 13 3. This one is our 11 divided by 84, and next we will have to convert it into mixed fraction. Now here I am converting this one, dividing by 84. 84 ones are 84. So here 13 minus 4 is how much? 9, and 10 minus 8 is 2. So as I told in my previous video, how can we write it? This bottom one will go to the top one, and this 84 will remain here, and this quotient will be our whole number. So this is the answer. Next we are going to do using second method, that is LCM method, and I have taken the same sum, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 7. Now এতিয়া তোমালোকে কোৱাচোন ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাস্কটো কি হ'ব? এক্স্যাক্টলি এইবোৰ আনলাইক ফ্ৰেকশনছ হয়। এতিয়া প্ৰথমতে আমি এইবোৰ লাইক ফ্ৰেকশনছ বনাব লাগিব, মানে একেটা ডিনোমিনেটৰ বনাব লাগিব। For that we are going to find the LCM of these three denominators by division method. I am doing here 3 4 7. First I am dividing by 3, 3 ones are 3, 4 7 will remain same. Now I am dividing by 1, 4 ones are 4, so now I am dividing by 7, 7 ones are 7. Therefore LCM is equal to 3 into 4 into 7. As there is no common factor, so LCM is the product of the numbers 3, 4 and 7. Apart from 1, there is no common factor. মই ইয়াতে তোমালোকক দেখাবৰ কাৰণে কৰি ললো LCM কেনেকৈ ওলাব লাগে। মই জানো তোমালোকে জানা তথাপি। So here I am writing 3 into 4 into 7 is equal to 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So here I am writing 84. Now 84 divided by 3 কিমান হ'ব? ইয়াতে মই কৰি লৈছো 84 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6 2, 4 3 8s are 24. So 28 into 2, 28 into 2 আহি যাব। Again 84 divided by 4 is equal to কিমান হয়? 84 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4 1s are 4, 21. That means ইয়াতে কি হ'ব? 1 into 21 plus 7, we know 84 divided by 7 is equal to 12, 7 12s are 84, therefore this is equal to 12 into 3. Now we'll simplify it. 28 2s are 8 2s are 16, 6, 1 2 2s are 4 and 5, 56 plus 21 1s are 21 plus 12 3s are 36 divided by 84. This is equal to 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13, 3 remaining 1 5 2 7 3 10 1 11 divided by 84. 113 by 84 আৰু কনভাৰ্সনটো আমি আগতে কৰি লৈছিলো, একেটাই হ'ব। 113 by 84 আছিলে আগৰ হেৰিটো ইম্প্ৰপাৰ ফ্ৰেকশন, এইটো আনসাৰটো ওলাইছিলে। মই এতিয়া আকৌ ৰিপিট নকৰো। 29 divided by 84. Understand? This is the answer. Exercise 2A, question number 11. A piece of rope 10 meter long is cut into 3 pieces. If the length of 2 pieces is 4 1/2 meter and 3 1/5 meter respectively, then find the length of the third piece. Okay, in this question we will have to add first those 2 pieces, and then we will subtract the result of the addition from the full length, that is 10 meter of the rope, to get the length of the third piece. So here let's add first these 2 pieces, 4 1/2 plus 3 1/5. And you tell me what is the first task here? Yes, our first task is to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay? 2 things you always remember. I'm repeatedly saying this, as these things are very much important in fraction chapter. Whenever question is given in mixed fraction, our first task is to convert mixed to improper one, and similarly after getting final answer of a question, our first task is to keep it in its simplest form if there is any common factor to divide other than 1, and second task is to convert it into mixed fraction in case our answer is an improper fraction. Always you remember this. Now I'm converting these fractions into improper fraction. This is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 9 divided by 2, plus this one is 3 5s are 15 plus 1, that means 16 divided by 5. Now these are unlike fractions, so I'm using LCM method. This is equal to 2 and 5. You see there is no common factor apart from 1, so I'm multiplying these 2 numbers to get their LCM. 2 into 5, that means 10 is the LCM. So 2 5s are 10, here 5 into 9 plus 5 2s are 10, here 16 into 2. This is equal to 5 9s are how much? 45 plus 16 2s are 32 divided by 10. This is equal to 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 7 divided by 10. Now our sum is not completed yet, so I am not converting it again into mixed fraction. Now our next part is to subtract this part from 10 meter, that is full length of the rope. So I am doing next part, that is 10 minus 77 divided by 10. As we know, denominator of each whole number is 1. So we can write this is equal to 10 divided by 1 minus 77 divided by 10. So LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. This one is our 1 10s are 10, that is 10 into 10 minus 10 ones are 10, this is 77 into 1. This is equal to 100 minus 77 divided by 10. This is equal to how much? 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 7 2, 23 by 10. And now we'll convert it into mixed fraction, because there is no common factor between 23 and 10, so we can't divide it anymore. We can't, this is the simplest form, so I'm converting it directly to mixed fraction. 10 2s are 20 plus 3 divided by 10. This, and never forget to write the unit, this meter. This is very much important. So this is the answer. Okay.
So thank you for watching. If you find my video a useful one, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share my video. More video jodi apnalokor bhal lagise, useful lagise, tenehole অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু লগতে মোৰ ভিডিও শেয়ার কৰিব। আমার ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগেছে, ইউজফুল লেগেছে, তাহলে কাইন্ডলি আমার চ্যানেল ক্র্যাকিং ম্যাথস উইথ সুফিয়াকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।
সঙ্গে ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না কিন্তু। See you next time. Bye.